BlackRock is saying this recession will be unlike any other.
Most Americans are not making enough money to afford the basic costs of living.
1 in 3 Americans have maxed out their credit cards.
Is that no one really knows how bad this is.
Cue the fire, folks. We are doomed. BlackRock, once again, continues to warn you, but no one is listening. And can I just say, BlackRock's like kind of ginormous in the trillions. So when you get charts like maybe like this, I see a blue line going up. Well, what could that blue line possibly be? Well, this is 2025, 26. Do you see that? Well, this is cash on the sidelines. Do you want to know why everyone is holding cash on the sidelines? That is because there's going to be a crash. 8 trillion. And this only occurs before recessions. 2000, 2008, 2020, and 2026-ish. But BlackRock and the insiders and the elites, as they hush, they behind closed doors, they're saying it's breaking. This is global. You go over to China. Here's China's housing market. How's that holding up? And these companies know, and they're dumping the bags. But retail has been there just buying it. Buy this dip. Go buy this real residential property prices in China. This is taken out, what, 30 years? This goes back to 2005. And we are lower. And these are prices. Guess what, my friends? It's going to get worse. I know you've been saying that, and it kind of has been. So I thank you for warning. Yields. These are currently our yields. See this, the trend is your friend until the end. It just doesn't stop going up. That's like your credit card. You're like, okay, it was good when I was paying free, 0%. That was great. Then it goes to 20%. And then it goes to 30%. It's getting ready to break out to go even higher, along with your energy markets, which we have no control over right now. Reserves are gone. We have minutes left. You're right there. Get ready to put in a buy. I mean, it may get rejected, so you could put in a little short, but there's your 10-year yield. Which again, what I was saying, go around the globe. You can go to China. You can go to France. Do you want to see the French yield? Look, okay, so it was down here, and then it just, boy, you guys are at 5% now? That's sweet. Well, I'm so thankful we're not at 5%. Larry, when you measure this, which you broke out, that goes way past the BlackRock sign. That's way above 5%. Now let's look at what the elites are doing. Harvard, those are the smart guys, holds over $100 million in BlackRock Bitcoin. So is that smart or is it dumb? Well, if you had been following my channel for a while, I said in December, everyone give your bags to the crypto kids. They will hold them for you. They'll probably get rid of them right about, not yet, it's coming. Got one more washout, and then that is the time for you to purchase. But what is BlackRock doing? Since it's a little tumultuous, I used a very big word, and I think I still screwed it up. BlackRock ends the week dumping. Oh, look at that. What are you guys dumping? Millions worth of these cryptocurrencies. Don't be so hyperbolic, Bravo. It's probably not Bitcoin. Well, let's look. Start from the top of the page as this AI, artificial intelligence, stocks continue to suck air out of crypto. It's all right. They got to breathe at some point. BlackRock Inc., BLK, stated the firm's investors sold Bitcoin and Ethereum. There it is. So while they have been warning you, BlackRock, this was another one. This is all of the money that you can't get from a bank. So you're like, okay, hey, not bank, can I get a loan here? Yeah, okay, you can get a loan. These are the stocks, okay? These are probably going to get delisted now. But which I showed you last week, that dump, I said, just wait for the swing trade. Don't try to catch a falling knife. I don't know where it is, but there's two things you can do. One, you can get a sweet little swing trade, but you know it's going to be under the 200. So this is not something you want to hold. It is something that bounces, and then you short it, and you play whack-a-mole. If you look at it from last week, see the red line? That's the 20. We're on the daily. It pulls down, goes purple, up, and then it shoots up. So you grab it and then you smack it. Just want to get above the purple. Beats down, purple, blah, smack, 20. Beats down, purple, smack, 20. Short it. That was not the big one, and I cannot give you the big one. Here, boom, goes into the Bravo zone. What goes down pops out. This is like water. That's why I even put little shamus. I'm like, you go into that and zing, it just pops up. That's what is currently happening. Now you got two ways to play this. One is to take out a swing trade that was on Friday, and then you're getting out at the 20. I know. Very limited. Personally like the whack-a-mole there, but I would love it when it just really extends. That's like you grab it and you pull it for pictures and you're like, this is really big. But I mean, you're not super overextended yet. You wait. So please put this on your watch list. I shall turn off my indicators and show you. It's actually that one. I know you guys are so far away. What are your chances? I mean, this would have been a B move on the bounce, maybe even a C move. That's dangerous. It's like putting your hand in like the piranha tank. If you'd like a visual of it, go down to piranhas in the course. There it is. Piranha. What it feels like sometimes trading. And I don't want to see, no, you shut up. Stupid guy that bleaches his eyebrows to sell a course. This is what it feels like. And this is what trading in the morning. You're just like, get it and get out. Which I bet a lot of people would have liked to have gotten out of that. But, you know, maybe they don't know what they're doing. Or maybe the housing market, that's tough. So one of you guys just sent me your numbers because I have between 50 to 60,000 students that trust me because it fracking works. Let me give you the 3 steps. Are you ready? Step 1, click the buy button. Step 2, click the sell button. Step 3, print money. Some of you are like, yeah, I've tried it and I had that day. This is classic. First day of trading, right? This is real money too. This wasn't a fake account. Lost 3,335. Most people would be like, F it, I'm done. You recouped it, and ooh, that was a good one. 1,534, 1,009, 1, and then $9. You're like, I'm done. And you get geared up the next day. This is what I see. I'm telling you, it's an 80%. As long as you don't leave your hand in the water, once you get the first bite, take it out. This means cut your losses. Do not hold. And congratulations. 2 weeks, you're up $9,000. Ta-da! $299. One trade could just pay up. That paid for the course. Even when I raise it to $399 or $499, it still pays. And you know what I love about trading? It's the liquidity, and you can do it whenever you want. I can go do it right now. I'm like, you know what? I want to go buy it. I want to go buy that new watch. Okay, click it, print money. But now coming in from the big picture, the big BlackRock picture, what is going on? It's bad. Everyone's moving their money off to the side. Everyone's waiting except for you. You click, 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 click. New York Fed. The Fed finds credit card and auto loan delinquencies remain elevated. That's the consumer. You want to know where else the consumer is located? In one of these. These are people that are currently hurting. They're in credit card debt. But Bravo, you said you should buy real estate. Yes. A++ beachfront. Perfect. It's going to go up in value. Buy cars, buy houses, buy gold and silver, buy Bitcoin, but win. Buy stocks, win. Sell stocks, win. I don't know, in 2-3 seconds. Buy it, hold your breath, wait, click the button. Right now, this is a nightmare for BlackRock or Blackstone or whatever Black is holding all of these. Whoo! On their balance sheets, along with the banks that are so upside down because they're like, I think TLT is a good play. Been upside down for 6 years. Everyone's busted. More Americans are having a harder time keeping up with their home and car payments. So you're going to lose it. Want to know what else I am seeing? Go in this direction. That house, this house, that house, delinquencies. And at what rate? At this rate, more. Month over month, more delinquencies, more credit card debt, more struggling, more recession, more war, more printing, more inflation. It just doesn't stop. Also, be glad that you're not just holding those. That's hard to get out of. I'll tell you again, going back to trading, just click, click. But let's look at some good news from Fitch. Rating, U.S. private credit. Oh, default rate. Okay, default's not good. Rate remains at record high in July and in August, in September, October, and now the parents are freaking out. Oh my gosh, we got to buy our little brat something for Christmas. December. So can you guys believe that? We're already in August, September, October, November, December. 4 months. We are into 2027. I wonder what the national debt will be in a few months. I mean, we'll definitely have crossed 40 trillion, going on to 45 trillion. Maybe Trump will get his 1.5 for more military. Now we're at 42 trillion. You're having to pay that back in your taxes and then more of the red. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't care. I just click, click. Oh, and you know that step 1, step 2. I got another one for you. Step 1, click sell. Step 2, click buy. Step 3, print money. You're like, how does that work? Well, that's when it's going the opposite direction. Click sell. This is it. It's as easy as this. Pathetically, click sell. But what if I don't have it? They'll give it to you. Click buy. Print money. Oh, my account went up. I can go get that new haircut. And by the way, how's the war going? Iran defiant. Trump defiant. Doesn't give a rip like you care. Oh, gas prices, I can't do it. Inflation. There is no inflation. What about this K-shaped economy? It's Bravo and all these 1%ers and he keeps teaching people how to get there. They're doing great. Keep buying assets, clicking buttons on screen, and he's telling you just get over it. Eat ramen. As Trump tells Americans to accept higher gas prices. Suck it up, Buttercup. Also, you guys are going to want to know that 3-step process when this goes. You know, the Hindenburg omen is flashing like crazy. Again, click sell, click buy, print money. That's on the way down under the 200. Here, I'll help you on Bitcoin. And then turn on indicators. Look, you have a buy zone. Oh, you have a sell zone. You have a buy zone. Again, in the course, I have is a secret indicators you get with the course. Unbelievable. And you just click buy, click sell. But on this one, again, you're under the 200. Watch right there. See? Sell zone. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so you click here, sell. Okay, then it goes down, okay, to here, and then you click buy. And you print money. And you clicked sell at 82,000, and then you clicked buy at 58,000. What is that? A unified math, is that $25,000? Thank you. What are you doing now? Well, I guess maybe you could buy it there, but you're not there, and you're not there. And I'm actually curious what it looks like on TLT. How about now? Are we at the indicator's not even telling you to buy now? There is nothing. Let me just check. Hold on. Let's see if is there any. Should you be buying anywhere down here? No, it's just, it is black. But if a buy indicator comes up, click subscribe. I'll tell you when. Well, there you have it. It is bad. It is getting worse. We now have to pay on this. May 2008 be with you. And with that, I love you. I will see you tomorrow.